Welcome back. SYSCON PlantStar 4.0 manufacturing execution system. We're going to spend a little bit of time in the production events. So the first thing we're going to look at is the production summary. So the production summary, you can choose a machine group. So if I want to look at just my injection molding machines within my factory, it's going to automatically pull up all of my molding machines, the specific job, the product, the tools, and it's going to give you this real-time data categories. You can export this, you can share, you can print. And if you see that I can change, let's see if I want to go to extrusion blow molding, I just have two extrusion blow molding machines here, my Beckham and my Davis Standard. As you can see, my performance, number of good parts per hour, my rejected percentage, and so on. If I look at my production events, this data indicates every time my production event has occurred. So I can click on the filters tab, for example, and I can dial down each one of these filters. So if I wanted to look at my rejected parts entry on my batten field for a specific reason or a specific job, and I can look at a date and time, and I can apply a filter, it's automatically going to change it in real time. Now here's my filtered categories. For my event type, obviously the machine I selected was batten field, and you can see my rejected part entries here. Visit us at www.plantstar.com for more information and to schedule your demo.